Flaming Cowboy. Well, we're out here at Lincoln, Nebraska out here, and got an Easter egg hunt out here today. And got a gun jump down here, so Easter eggs out here shortly. You can see them out there flying around, circling around here first before he drops his eggs. And you can see him out here doing a circling. And he's going to come in and do a landing up here, drop the Easter eggs out here on the ground out here. So you can see him coming in here right now. And pretty neat. Let's find him. You can see him down here coming in. Coming down for a landing and going to drop his Easter eggs. See him coming in here, trying to hoover in here to get the closest drop up here, and pretty neat. See the eggs coming out there? See all the eggs coming out? How neat it is? Drop those plastic eggs, and pretty neat. Anymore or not. You can see him backing up now. Up there goes some more eggs. See him drop those eggs out there. And I'm sure he's not done yet. You can see how they can back up and just set one spot, how they can hoover. Up there goes some more eggs. Look at them dropping down. Look at all those eggs coming out. Amazing. None of them's breaking though. But so they got 22 eggs in there though.